Hello everyone, my name is Nagaraj. I am from Government Practicing High School, Gadwar and Telangana. Today I came here to participate in Southern India Science Fair in Future Exhibit category. I want to explain about the movements of the Earth and movements of the Moon. First of all, this is the globe, this is the model of our Earth. Earth has two types of movement. First one is rotation and second one is revolution. So, what are the effects of rotation and revolution? I will explain you by using this DLF. Earth moves around its own axis is called as rotation. For one rotation, it is taking 24 hours. At the time of rotation, the half part of the Earth is facing the Sun. This half part which is facing the Sun has day. At the same time, other side of the Earth has night. So by this rotation, we are facing day and nights on the Earth. Movement, that is revolution. So this is rotation, and Earth also moves around the Sun like this. So that is revolution. So here Earth is not moving like this. Our Earth is moving like this. So you can observe this. You just observe this. Our Earth, this is the axis of the Earth. The axis of the Earth is not 90 degrees. It has a tilt of 23.5 degrees like this. So our Earth is revolving by rotating like this around the Sun. By this we are getting seasons. If you observe this one here, in this model we can observe how the seasons are taking place. Our Earth is moving around the Sun. It is taking 1 year for one revolution. For example, our Earth will be here on the March, and months goes on, April, May, June, our Earth will be here. And our Earth will be here in the September, and our Earth will be here in the December. Okay. For example, when the Earth is here, the sun rays fall straightly on the equator, and comes to here, the sun rays fall straightly on the tropic of Cancer. When Earth is in this position, then the sun rays fall straightly on the equator. When the Earth is in this position, the sun rays fall straightly on this tropic of Capricorn. When coming to this area, the sun rays are falling straightly on the equator. When the Earth, tropic of Cancer, and here the sun rays are falling straightly on the equator. So by this we can understand that the sun rays are falling straightly on the equator in the March 23rd and on the September 23rd. These 2 days are called as equinoxes. In these 2 days, the daytime and nighttime both are same. But coming to this, when the Earth moves from here to here, the sun rays continuously falls on the northern hemisphere. So northern hemisphere people will get summer. And when the Earth is in this position, the sun rays fall straightly on the southern hemisphere. These people who are living on the southern hemisphere will feel summer. Summer will be southern hemisphere. Summer will be there for the southern hemisphere, and the winter will be there for the northern hemisphere people. So by this model we can understand the seasons of the Earth. And you can observe the eclipses. Earth moves around the Sun, and Moon moves around the Earth. Sometimes Moon comes between the Earth and Sun. So this is called as solar eclipse. In this solar eclipse, you can observe here the shadow area will fail the solar eclipse. When the Moon goes back to the Earth, when the Earth comes between Moon and Sun, that is called as lunar eclipse. So you can see this is solar eclipse and this is lunar eclipse. We can show the eclipses by using this model to the children who can be easily understood by the children. So this is the Earth, and these all are the moon shapes. When the moon goes around the Earth, when the position changes, the shape of the moon also changes. For example, when the moon is here, the sun is falling from there. When the moon is here, we can see full moon, that is full moon day. when the moon is here, we cannot see the moon because the sun rays are falling other side of the moon. So this is the new moon day. We cannot see the moon. When the moon comes after 1 or 2 days, we can see slightly a crescent shape. So this is called crescent. When the moon is here, we can see only half part of the moon. This is the first quarter, we can see only half part of the moon here. So we can observe all these moon phases by showing this model to the children, so they can understand moon phases easily. Why we can see only one side of the moon? If you observe this, the moon rotation and revolution is taking same time. For example, when the moon going around the earth, it completed one revolution and it also completed one rotation also. So for one rotation and one revolution, moon is taking same duration, that is 30 days. So for this one, because of this reason, we are not able to see other side of the moon. So I want to show you one more thing, that is, here I have prepared one model. By using this model, the children can observe the moon phases in a real experience. So if you observe this, here you can see the new moon. As days goes on, you can observe waxing crescent here, and this is first quarter. In the first quarter, after 1 week of the new moon, we can see only half part of the moon, and this is called as waxing gibbous. We can see 70 to 80% of the moon here, and here you can see the full moon, and here you can see the moon reduces its lighting, or moon becomes dark. So this is called waning gibbous, and this is third quarter phases. And I have also prepared some more models. For example, by using this model, we can make the children to learn map pointing easily in a playway method. For example, this model is used to teach, or this model is used to learn the capital cities. For example, if I touch with this pen on any capital city, the light blinks on the capital city. So, no need with teacher, the children will enjoy the learning of capital cities. So, like this. I have also prepared one more model. This is the states of the Indian country. So, here we have to match the state and match the name. If we match properly, the light and buzzer will activate. Here I have placed on Rajasthan. If I keep on the other on the state, the light activates. If I place on the wrong match, light not activate. Like this, we can learn. Children can learn easily states of the country. So these are the models I have prepared for the children who can enjoy the learning of the social studies. Thank you.